video, I'm going to go over customer groups and sources, as well as supplier groups and sources. So all of these options are available under System Setup, under the Configuration tab, and then you can see customer groups, customer source, and then also supplier groups and supplier source. So I'll start with customer groups. Right now I just have one called online, and I can edit this one to make it inactive so it's not an option anymore, or I can add a new value, let's say person sales, and then I can add a customer source. So right now I have marketing, word of mouth. If I say have like Google ad, and again, the same thing, I can make these inactive if I don't use them anymore. And then the supplier groups and sources are going to look pretty similar. And then maybe I will call this one, I'll create an online option. And then I'll also want to find the supplier source. And I already have trade show in here. And I'll add online too. All right, so now that I've set up a couple options, I'll show you where they will be used. So they're going to be plugged in at the same spot for customers and suppliers, but we have that customer group here. Amazon is online, and then I'll do a source. I'll do Google ad here. I'll save this customer. Suppliers are going to look the same, where you have that supplier group and supplier source. And then one way that you'll actually want to use those groups and sources is in the report center. So I'll do customers, and I'll create a new report. And I will just do it under customers. But then you can report on the group and a source, which this is just really helpful if you're wanting to see like either what you want to focus your marketing on, what sources are getting you the most customers, and then also if you just have different ways of categorizing customers and you want to create reports where you're only looking at that one group, maybe that's a great filter option too. You don't need to maybe display it, but you can filter on that. Just different options for ways of categorizing your customers and suppliers. So highly recommend playing with that, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.